more days till school starts, so we're heading to the beach today. It's a really hot day here today, but hopefully at the beach it'll be nice and cool, and I'll be taking you guys around. I'm getting ready to go on IG Live with Paper Talk Podcast, and yeah, I always get a little nervous when it gets to these lives because there's no take backs. Check out the Paper Talk Podcast. I will be linking it below. It'll be a podcast where we talk about just running a creative small business, and I'm really excited about it because, you know, I've been in business for about 13 years. I had a lot of things that I've learned along the way. So hopefully I could be helpful on the podcast. After the live, I'll be heading to San Diego with family. And this is really going to be the last time that we get to go out with our family before the summer break ends. So it'll be fun. I don't know how much I'll be filming, but we do have a really cute coffee shop that we have in mind to check out. So I'll be taking you guys there. I am Sarah from Handmade by Sarah Kim, and yes, I am mainly known for the paper flowers that are made with cardstock paper, a little bit different from Quinn, but I've been doing paper flowers for quite a long time now. I actually started with paper flowers back in 2010, and I kind of did a little bit of weddings, a little bit of birthdays, all sorts of different stuff, and then I transitioned into making accessories, so bridal accessories. And then I came back to paper flowers after I got married and I got over the whole wedding phase in my life. And yeah, I'm excited to be on Paper Talk now. I feel like it is like kind of intimidating to be on here, somewhat replacing Jessie, but I'm back in my workspace and it's very quiet with everyone back to school. Now I can go back to work, and I actually have a few backed up orders that I have to work on, so that's what I'll be doing today. And I'm actually working on a paper portrait. I do have a tutorial for that I'll be linking below. Make sure you check it out. You'll be able to make your own paper portraits. But yeah, today I'll be making a wedding paper portrait. I'll be working on that all day. I just came back from my morning walk. It's about the third day since everybody's been back at school, and it feels nice to just have some me time. And I'm going to try to make it a habit to take a walk around the neighborhood after I drop off my son. But it's really hot. Today is going to be 100 degrees plus, I think. So it's going to be a rough day, but I'll be in the workspace, trying to catch up on a lot of the orders that I've been backed up since the summer. I have a really big wedding order, so I'm going to be making bouquets, boutonnieres, a lot of dahlias that are going into those bouquets. So I'll be working on that today. Hopefully I can get some good behind the scenes in my workspace.